do you also have an old laptop that barely runs Windows anymore? Don't throw it away, because today I'll show you some cool projects you can build. NAS Home File Server. First, you can turn it into a NAS, a home file server. With Open Media Vault, you can back up your photos, share files between devices, and even stream videos across your network completely free. Retro gaming console. Or make it into a retro gaming console. I actually built one of these before using a Raspberry Pi, but honestly, there is nothing stopping you from doing the same thing on an old laptop. If you're curious how that turned out, check out my other videos where I built the RetroPie setup from scratch. Home Assistant Hub. You can also use it as Smart Home Hub. Home Assistant lets you control your lights, plugs and sensor all locally without the cloud. Personal Web Server. Host your own website or blog with Nginx. It's lightweight, fast and a great way to learn web technologies without paying for hosting. Ad blocking DNS. Next up, P-hole. It blocks ads and trackers across your entire home network automatically. You'll notice fast browsing and no annoying pop-ups. It's one of the best, set it and forget it. Docker Lab. Want to learn more about modern software? Use your old laptop as a Docker playground. You can spin up mini servers, test databases and experiment safely without touching your main computer. Music or media server. You can also run your own media server using Jellyfin. Stream your movies, shows or music to any device in the house. No subscription, no ads and totally private. A home Minecraft server that you can manage right from your browser. An old laptop is perfect for running a private Minecraft server at home. It doesn't need a lot of resources, works great over Ethernet and can run 24/7. With Linux and tools like Crafty Controller, managing the server is easy even for beginners. Monitoring server with Prometheus and Grafana. Convert the old laptop into a monitoring server using Prometheus along with Grafana or Node Exporter. This setup collects metrics from your network devices, servers or sensors and lets you track performance, uptime and alerts. It's useful for anyone interested in network engineering and home lab setups. Home AI server. And finally, you can even turn it into your own AI server using Ollama. Run large language model locally, completely offline and use them from your browsers or other apps. I actually built one of these before too. If you are curious how to set up your own free AI assistant at home, check out my other videos about that project. So yeah, don't underestimate your old hardware. It's not junk, it's a small, free and surprisingly powerful computer waiting for a second life. Okay, that's all for today. If you turned an old laptop into something useful or you have an idea I should try next, drop it in the comments. I love to read them. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.